Did you know that there's only one queen per ant colony? They can lay up to 300,000 eggs in just a few days. If anything happens to the queen, then the colony will disappear. They can live up to 30 years, which is amazing when you compare it to the workers and the male bees, which only live between 1 and 3 years. Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be drawing and learning about ants. You're only going to need a few supplies, a black marker, some colors, and a piece of paper. All right, let's draw.
First, we're going to start with the eyes. I'm going to do 2 circles really close to each other. And then we're going to draw the rest of the head. A little rainbow top, a rainbow bottom. Ants have sensors or antennae. 2. Go ahead and add the eyes. And a mouth.
There are 12,000 species of ants worldwide except Antarctica because it's too cold. They can grow up to 52 millimeters long, which is pretty small, and they vary between black and some shades of red.
Now we're going to draw the body. And then we're going to draw the thorax. We'll put some lines in there.
Did you know ants can lift 50 times their body weight? They also are creatures of habit, so they have regular eating schedules, regular work shifts, and bedtimes, just like we do. And they have a lot of jobs. Their jobs range from caring for the queen, nest maintenance, security, and gathering food, just like the honeybees.
Now let's add the arms. This little guy is going to wave high. One down here, one over here, and then one set in the center.
Did you know that ants don't have a heart or blood vessels? I didn't know that. They have a perforated tube, which means it has holes in it. It's called the dorsal aorta, and what it does is it pumps the fluid to the brain and the body parts. Great job following directions. Now it's time to color. Enjoy the music and some more fun facts. Hit that like button if you are enjoying this art lesson. Ants make their own medicine by secreting an antibiotic fluid that helps protect them on their exoskeleton from fungus and bacteria growth. Did you know that ants have 2 sensors? They're used to detect vibrations, chemicals, air currents, and they're used for touch. When ants are foraging for food or looking for food, they leave a scent trail or a pheromone behind them so they can find their way back home. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to check out last week's art class. Hit that subscribe button for new art classes and tag Bits Art Clips when you upload a picture of your artwork. Can't wait to see what you create. See you next time.